We got a 1970 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Very nice restored vehicle. Only made 2,900 convertibles in 1970 and 540 4-speeds. This is a 4-speed. Power brakes, power steering, air, power top. Just a really nice car. Body off, restoration. Azure blue with pearl white interior. The frame on the convertible top is in fantastic condition. The seats are as well, all the seat belts. It's got the tick-tock tack, full gauges. Matching spare wheel, convertible boot. All the chrome and trim on the car is extremely nice. Underneath is fantastic, just like the rest of the car. Take it up the street for a quick little spin.